LK Lifestyles Videos presents a paleo, grain-free, and gluten-free pizza crust that your family will love. One thing that many people living a paleo life miss is real pizza. But this pizza crust is different from all the rest because it is actually made out of chicken. That's right, chicken. So it's super low carb, low sugar, and totally paleo. Here at LK Lifestyles, you will find easy recipes and short videos to help you live your very best paleo life. Subscribe now and hit the bell to receive notifications of new videos every week. Here is what you will need to make a chicken paleo pizza crust. 2 cups of cooked chicken, or approximately 1 pound, a half a cup of nutritional yeast, and 2 egg yolks. Now let's make the crust. Place your cooked chicken in a food processor and pulse until it is ground together. In a mixing bowl, add the chicken, nutritional yeast, and the egg yolks. Stir to combine. Place parchment paper on a baking sheet and spread out the mixture into the shape and thickness that you desire. Bake the crust for 20 to 25 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the crust and allow it to cool for 5 to 10 minutes. Top your crust with sauce, cheese, or anything you like and return it to the oven for about 10 minutes to cook. This pizza crust is firm and will taste great with any topping. Please subscribe to LK Lifestyles for new, interesting, and healthy paleo videos every week.